Do I need to pack my full-size shampoo in a specific way for checked luggage?
Hello, and welcome to our quick guide on how to pack your full-size shampoo in your checked luggage. If you're planning a trip and want to bring your favorite hair care products with you, this guide is essential. Understanding the correct way to pack these items can save you a lot of potential mess and hassle.
Why is proper packing important?
Firstly, let's talk about why it's important to pack your full-size shampoo properly. Airlines have specific regulations regarding liquids in luggage. While you generally don't have to worry about the 3.4-ounce limit in checked luggage like you do in carry-on bags, improper packing can lead to leaks or spills, damaging your belongings and possibly causing problems with security checks.
How to pack full-size shampoo?
Now, onto the practical part. Step 1. Choose the right bag. The best way to pack your full-size shampoo is in a plastic bag. This bag serves as an extra layer of protection in case the shampoo leaks. Step 2. Secure the cap. Ensure the shampoo bottle's cap is tightly secured. For added safety, consider taping the cap down with a piece of duct tape. Step 3. Wrap in a protective layer. Wrap your plastic bagged shampoo bottle in a protective layer such as a bubble wrap, a thick cloth, or place it inside a padded pouch. This helps protect it from the impacts and temperature changes it may experience during the journey. Step 4. Place it right. Position the wrapped shampoo bottle in the middle of your suitcase, surrounding it with clothes or other soft items to provide extra cushioning.
Are there any alternatives?
If you want to avoid the risk of spills altogether, there are alternatives. Solid shampoos and conditioners are becoming increasingly popular. They're not only spill-proof but also eco-friendly. Moreover, you can consider buying your usual products after arriving at your destination. In conclusion, while you can pack a full-size shampoo in your checked luggage, remember to pack it properly to avoid any mishaps. We hope this guide helps make your packing and travel a little smoother. Safe travels and take care!